Alright, DjKB Sports Cards here. We're going to do 2 boxes of 15-16 portfolio hockey for Jerry. DjKB, man, good luck. $50 loss right here. Here's gain, hopefully. The Brad, DjKB, sub James, Cowboys for life, the Bull Hunter. What's happening there? D. Woodley. Like chunky girls. How much, Brad? Hopefully, we're going to have an event for LAFC on Saturday. I'm trying to see if we can go to it on Saturday. See what it's all about. Gonna have like a beer garden there, a bunch of food trucks. Who knows what else they're gonna have. Yeah, this Saturday. This Saturday, they sent us all an invite. Party at my house, right? Nicholas Patan, rookie phenoms Colin Miller, wire photo Mario Lemieux, wire photo Clark Gillies, wire photo Jared McCann, black and white Connor McJesus. And autograph Rod Brendamauer, Hurricanes. Zonk can babysit. I don't think Zonkin's come and list some eBay for me. Jack Eichel. Rookie Phenoms, Panarin. And quad jersey. That's Claude Giroux for the Flyers. Claude Giroux. Wire photo Panarin. Tyler Seguin. Rookie Phenoms Mikko Rantanen. Rookie Phenoms Kiara. Rookie Phenoms Plotnikov. Wire photos Ovechkin. Rookie Phenoms Hunter Shakenrook. Wire photo Shea Theodore. This box number 1. Thought it was Yager. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. I gotta read it again. See what the event's all about. I'm sure it's just like a... Well, it's the first... What do they say? First official, like, kickoff or something. I don't know. We'll see. Saturday. Just like for like 4 hours, 3 hours. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, they already said in the email that if I wanted to buy a shirt, here's the link. They're going to have some shirts on sale. I'm like, dude, how come I don't get a free one? Where's my free shirt, man? Bonnie. Still haven't got my free scarf yet. Still waiting. Alright. Good luck, guys. Good luck, Jerry. Last box of this case. The Connor McJesus. Louis Dominique. Coyotes. John Tavares. This is your autograph for the Islanders. John... Malcolm Subban. Wire photo, Aaron Ekblad. Jack Eichel. Rookie Phenoms, Jake Tannen. Mike McCarron. That is John Tavares. Noah Hannafin. Black and white Bobby Clark. And jersey Carey Price. Victor Arvidsson. Wire photo, Jamie Benn. Brady Sky. There you go, Jerry, man. Sorry, no McJesus. Appreciate it, though, dude.